Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, We coming to you starting the video bare face because we are going to be doing some DIY henna brows. I am very excited but also very nervous. But I really, like, as you can see, like, I feel like my eyebrows have always been like super light and I just want to be able to like look like I have my brows done when I'm like not doing makeup and stuff. Like, my brows are so light, like I just can't. So this is what we're gonna do. As I said before, my name is Reese LaFleur and this is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we do makeup, hair, nails, DIYs, fashion, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so anytime that I upload a video, you are notified so you don't miss anything. Make sure you kiss that like button, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Period. Yo, I'm not doing this in the swing and she's dead staring. Hi, baby. Hi, boo-boo. You see your mommy do her thing? Anyway, let's get into it. You guys, so this is what we're working with. I'm doing two things. So we'll start with the henna kits. It is the eyebrow henna kit from MINA. This is the color dark brown. It's semi-permanent, stays up to 6 weeks. So that is what we're using for the eyebrows, and as you can see, it comes with all these different colors. I'll definitely post the link down below, especially if this works, because it looks like we might be just ordering these, and I think this was like 10 bucks, you guys, tops, but it'll be done in the description box. And then I also ordered the eyebrow wax kit from Sally Hansen because I want to make sure my eyebrows are nice and clean before I henna them. In my not professional opinion, I think that they always wax the brows, but also if I didn't wax my brows, I think that the extra hair that's there will be picked up. That's aggy. So yeah, and then of course I have my little brush here, and then my little what's it called, eyebrow razor, and I think that's all we need. I do see people put a white pencil. I cannot find my white pencil, so I'm gonna try to find a lighter color pencil. We're gonna do that in a second because we ain't trying to get, but while the video continues, I hope to use a light pencil. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna open up the wax kit. So it comes with like an eyebrow guide. I don't know what this is for. This is like a cuticle pusher backer. And then you can put it as a guide. I don't like any of them. I don't like any of these brows. They are arched, but I'd rather just do my own thing because that don't look good. No. And then here is how it comes. It's perfect for your eyebrows, your upper lip, your face, and your chin. And this is the wax. You're just gonna go ahead and microwave this. And then this is the aftercare lotion. And I guess this is to mix. It doesn't tell me how long the microwave. Oh, I'm lying. It says microwave jar at 90 seconds, high setting until wax is soft. Do not exceed 2 minutes. Let jar stay in the microwave for 1 minute and to cool before removing. And you use this to apply the wax. Girl, we gonna have to read the instructions. I'll be back. So I am confusion. Okay, you got it. I love trying stuff with y'all because even though I love to do my how-tos, trying something new with y'all and experiencing it with y'all is always fun. But we gonna come right back because I need to be fake expert. Be back. It's not too hot at all. I'm just gonna keep mixing it because some of the sides is a little chunky. Some of the sides are a little chunky monkey, so I'm just trying to mix it in so it's all one consistency. But this is reusable because you're not going to use all of it, so you can definitely reuse it. It's the sides get cooler before the center. So before it gets too cool, I'm going to go for it. And I'm just going to get close. Like, I got to be able to do this right, y'all. Y'all, the wax really started to frustrate me. Babe was in the room with me, so you're gonna hear him talking to me for a second. He was just chilling with our baby for a little minute while I was trying to get this done. But as you can see, this consistency looks horrible. It just was pissing me off. So, ugh, I can't.
You let this nigga be tripping. You filming?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
That shit is pissing me off.
What?
Fucking wax. Can you do me a favor?
Did you melt it right?
It keep melting, but then it keep drying so fucking fast. Can you put this in there for like a minute? Just do a minute and then bring it right back to me. Okay, so I think I got a better consistency of the wax. This is how it looks. It's not too hot anymore. I've been putting it on my finger as it cools down a little bit just to make sure. And as you can see, this is how it spreads on, and it's not too hot. Like, I can take that. So that's how it's spreading on now, which is a lot better than what it was given before. So I'm just gonna go for it underneath and just spread there. Like that. I hope it takes it off. I've been cleaning my underarms. I've been cleaning with the alcohol. It was drying pretty fast on my skin, but it doesn't hurt. Waxing your eyebrows doesn't hurt. So at this point, I ain't going front. I'm annoyed because I done heated up this wax so many times. I had to stop and breastfeed. These are all things that you didn't see. So I got really frustrated. Like, honestly, I was so over it, you guys. Like, over it. I'm trying to rush, and it's not helping the whole situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back on camera after my brows are waxed, or after I trim them. I'm just going to do it old-fashioned style with the razor. I actually could do that on camera because this wax joint is not giving life. I'm just going to go old-fashioned and clean up my brows. But I will do that on camera. I'm just going to tend to little baby, and I'll be right back. See, I'm all over the place. Y'all might not even get to see this part. Okay, guys, we are back, and we are no longer going to be jumbo mumbles. Guess who's sleeping? So we got this. We good. Okay, so we did the wax, and the wax, this is what the wax did for us. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up with my eyebrow razor. I'm just way better at doing my eyebrows, but you can see, like, here, you can see a lighter piece, and here, it did what it needed. It did enough. It did enough. Okay, so I'm just going to go in, and some wax is still kind of on here because of the way that I had to heat it up. Okay, so my eyebrows are cleaned up for the most part. I'm just gonna go back in with some alcohol just to burn myself. No, they have, I still didn't use the aftercare lotion. So I'm just gonna do this. Ooh, it's gonna burn. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, bizzle. Because I like the way that feels, girl. You know what? I'm not going to put the aftercare lotion on because I want this to be clean. Alright. So, it comes with a few. Looks like it comes with a few packets. So, it has the sensitivity test, safety instructions, ingredients, and the color. I didn't know it was going to come with a few packs. I thought it was only going to be one. They actually come with 3 different packages, so this is 3 different ways, so you can have this for a little while. Like I said, it's only $10. This is clearly what we mix in. Here's a little mixing spoon, and here is a little dropper. Okay, they also give you this like little tube to like put the leftover henna in. okay? I guess because it'll be wet at that point. And then here are the instructions. We definitely need to read the instructions because we've never done henna brows. We don't know. So after looking at what I got in my package, they jipped me. They didn't give me everything. I'm missing the brow tint, but I'm just going to use an angle liner. I'm missing the brow tint, the brow tint brush. So I'm just going to use one of my clean angle liner brushes. And I'm also missing the MINA Brow Nourishing Oil. I didn't know I needed a nourishing oil. Like I said, I've never done this. So it looks like I don't have everything that I possibly may need. The nourishing oil you're supposed to use afterwards, and that's supposed to help get the eyebrow shine and all that. So we just going to use coconut oil. Because we black. Because we black, and we black, and we black. And we gonna be resourceful. So what I'm supposed to do is open up this packet. I'm not gonna open up all the way. I don't want it to spill out. I'm supposed to take a half a spoon of this and put it in this little container. It says a half of the spoon, you guys. The half of the spoon that came with it. So we're gonna do this one. And then the rest of the powder that's in here goes in here. And then we're gonna take a few drops of water, which I do have some water here, with the dropper. It doesn't say how many drops. It just says a few drops. So we're just going to do a few drops. Until it's a paste. I might have put too much water, but we can always add more powder. It has an interesting smell. It smells like ashes. I like it. It smells like you know, like when you, like incense. That's what it smells like. I'm definitely going to add some more of this paste because I just put too much water. It's supposed to be like a pasty consistency, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit more. And you want to make sure it's all dissolved. It's like little beads in there. You want to make sure it's all dissolved. So I'm just gonna keep mixing and mixing. All right, so as I'm mixing, it's getting darker and it's getting thicker. So I guess we did it right. Just gonna go for it now, you guys. I'm gonna start off by taking what's on the what's this thing called? This spoon. And we're gonna go slowly, you guys. Very much slow. So I took what was on the spoon and I'm gonna go very slow on my eyebrow. As if I'm like coloring my eyebrow in. I don't know if this is right, but this is actually pretty easy, this part, because I'm just doing like I do when I do my brows. I want to come a little bit up, even though I'm still going to fill up my brows. I want to just come a little bit up with the bottom. Alright, so now we're going to just go in and do the other side. And I'll come back on this side just to add some more. But I just want to make sure they're super even. And you guys, I'm really doing this how I would do my regular brows. Now the hardest part is to make sure that they're even, because I mean I want them to be sisters, not twins. I do want it to look so similar, because the point of me doing this is so that when I don't have on makeup I still have eyebrows. So I'm gonna stop. I think I did a pretty good job. This I'm pretty sure I could just wash out. This is all that's left from that little teaspoon. I just had to add that more because I put too much water. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to come back in 10 minutes. And then we're going to wipe it off together on camera and see if we did something. They look dark, but they're not supposed to look this dark. But yeah, I think I did a good arch, like, I think. But they're getting a little dry. I feel them drying. So we'll be right back in 10 minutos. It's been about 10 minutes, probably even more. I'm going in with an alcohol pad because I don't have like the cleanser that they was talking about. Alcohol cleans. So we're going to do that. I'm nervous, but they look good from right here. I hope, oh, see? I just hope it wasn't a waste of my time and... Okay, wait. I'm gonna grab my spoolie because the hair is not up anymore. Okay. It's not terrible. Actually, it's pretty good because I'm still going to like do my eyebrows, but it tinted for sure. I freaking, these look good. Henna's Middle Eastern. I got argan oil. You think argan oil will work? I'm not even trying to be funny. Pretty good, but I decided to come back and do another layer because I wanted to make it a little bit darker. So that's what we're doing right now. So here is the second layer of the henna. I did it a lot more thinner, and we're gonna wait another 10 to 15 minutes for this to go ahead and set in. And I'm hoping that only 2 layers is all I need. Okay, flowers, so this is after the second round. I'm just gonna lightly take it off. I'm trying not to do it so hard. I feel like the first time I kind of went a little hard with trying to get it off. I'm trying to do it lightly because I am using alcohol. Okay, so I love how the second layer looks. This is where I wanted to stay. I think they look really, really good, especially for my first time, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of this little DIY tutorial or let's try type of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join that flower gang. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.